Hello and welcome to a new jamfuze demo. Hello everyone. Right, what we've got today is jamfuze ALE, or jamfuze ale if you like. Anyway, jamfuze ALE, we've got the offline demo and the online demo. So this works exactly as what you will have in the real thing. Obviously that's not time limited, the offline, that won't be black and white. So, but apart from that, everything's the same. So in my folders here, this is where I've got my red files, and you'll notice they're in folders. They're all 2398. This one's got an RSX, this one's got an RSX, and this one hasn't. Oh no. So let's hope it works. This is where they're all going to go. It's empty at the moment because I've got nothing going in, and Avid is ready to take it. So let's do the offline bit first of all, which we all know and love. Okay, so choose where it is, and we're going to choose 2398 red files, and we're going to choose where we want it to go. We want to go to AAA test, so I'll leave that alone. The Avid project name will be red users, and the comment will be the same, red users. 1920 fit height, DNX36, remember you can choose 115 now. 36, how do you want to set your look? Let's do it. Use the folder RSX. Oh, here we go. You want burn-ins? Yes. Tidy up the files afterwards? Yes. And do you want to move the MXFs into this folder, which if you're not on my system you'll have to choose it. There is a way of making that default be what you like, and that's in the GUI thing that's inside the application. If you look at the website, it tells you how to do it. And there we go. We're just going to OK, and then, you know, I'll cut the time so we don't have to watch a stupid thing going round. And we'll be back in a minute for the Avid bit. Okay, that's done and quit itself. So let's see if we've got any new files in the Avid Media Files folder, which is here. MXF 1. Oh, all those are made today at 4:15, which is what we did. Okay, so let's have a look and see if the Avid picked it up. Oh look, in our output folder there is an ALE file. Thursday, May the 28th, blah blah blah, BST, British summertime maybe. Anyway, that.ale. I'm going to go over to Avid, scanning its database. And in this bin, named ALE import, I'm going to import that folder, that ALE file. Okay, so there it goes. Look at all that stuff. Metadata everywhere. Crikey. But, double click them. Nothing there. So, what you have to do is you have to highlight them all, and then relink, and you have to relink to the specific resolution that you wanted. In this case it's DNX36, and there they all are. So you can do that with any number of clips. So look, it's used the folder RSX, the yellowy thing, so I could know that it's done it. This one is very high ASA, so it's very noisy and lifted, so I know it's done that. And this one is normal. So you'll notice that all three have come in, no white screens, and the ones that had the RSX in the folder have used it. One that didn't has defaulted to the camera's own metadata. These are all ready now to cut and do the online section. Okay, so I'm going to put all these into my offline bin, make a new sequence. You know me best, edit. And we're going to put some of this in, B. Put some of this in, put some of this in. Okay, so we've got the best edit ever, car, walking, yellowy car. Okay, and we're going to output an EDL that we need to rebuild it. So this is the steps you do. Alt and drag it into the online bin to make a copy, decompose it, just click untick offline media only. This is where you pick the handles. This is what it'll need to capture to make your stuff happen. Make a new sequence and call it all clips, and then select all the clips that it's come up with. It could be a lot, I know, but just select them all, alt and drag into there. These are the ones it wants you to capture or get somehow to make your sequence. Okay, so we're going to output an EDL from all clips. Update that. There we are, so there's the name of the red file. Remember, we're using red 16 as the template there, otherwise it won't work. And we're going to call it all clips -ALE. Update and save. Save it on the desktop. Go. Quit that. Hide Avid. So on the desktop now we've got all clips ALE. Okay, let's go on to the online bit. Online, where do our files live? They live in the 2398 thing in there. I'm going to stick it out to AA test, and you have to choose an EDL, so I'm going to. It's on the desktop and it's called all clips ALE.EDL. Project name, call it red users again. Comment. Zzz. Why not? 1920 fit height. This time it's DNX HD 175. It's 23976. We know that, and I'm going to make it 709 for some weird reason today. 709, but it will be black and white because this is the demo. Tidy up the files afterwards and move it into the Avid MXF. Remember, mine's the default. You'll have to choose it or learn how to set the default yourself. Okay, off we go, and I'll do the same again. I'll cut it and we'll come back. Okay, so it's done its stuff and quit. So now we need to switch over to the Avid. There we are, so there's our best edit ever. Car, people, car. So I'm going to right click on that, relink. I'm going to relink, start timecode and tape, specific resolution, this time 175 because that's what we've made. And if it's no match, you found, unlink it and create a new sequence. Okay, so best edit relinked. Rename that online. Double click that, and lo and behold, we've got a black and white version. Because remember, I'm using the demo. So let's do the usual trick and load the offline sequence in this window and the online sequence in this one. So best edit in there, online in there, and let's do the link. Let's see what happens. So there we are, and there's a cut coming, there it is, to the square in Japan, and there's the car. Remember, they're all black and white because it's the demo, but in the real thing it'll be colour, and that is it. Okay, so you've got one ALE to import them all, and then it's a simple relink. Yeah, but you have to use the ALE online version of jamfuze because the tape name gets changed, as we can see if we have a look in here. Make it big. Tape name, wherever it is now just a few characters, whereas previously it was all the file name. So it's now quite different. So you need the ALE online and ALE offline if that's the way you want to go. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.